Be me, noise artist. Record basically anything. Literally recorded a paper shredder for an hour. Put reverb on it and some edgy faux deep sounding names like The Slicing of the Ethereal brings back memories of her shredded past. Throw it on Bandcamp. Put it on old piece of cassette I got for $0.25 at a thrift store. Sometimes throw in weird artsy stuff. I literally once included my own toenail. It sold for $40. This one, I literally included some pubes. Sells for $60. Laugh as I go to the post office to mail some terrible taper with my pubes taped on to some guy. Seriously, people who like noise music will literally buy freaking anything. It's amazing.